that started.
I there was a dog in there. When the dog was barking, there was like many gas and many, and then they put the dog. We don't know if it's some guy, somebody who is in there. We don't know.
Was there somebody in there?
We don't know if there is somebody in there because the smoke were too much, too much.
You think they're dead inside of there?
Yeah, the dog was rescued. The dog was rescued. The dog was
Oh, the dog was rescued?
Is rescued, yeah, it's rescued, but we don't know if somebody is in there.
Fuck, I want that bike.
I don't know if somebody is in there. We gonna check after that. Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's crazy, yeah.
Where's the lady go that owns it?
I don't know.
Just took her dog and started walking?
Yeah, the dog was walking. Somebody put the dog and them. I don't know why the dog was going as. Yeah. Yeah. Those are the people? Those are the people? No?
No, there's no one in there.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah. That's good.